Okay, magandang araw po sa lahat. Ito yung in-order ko na TFC IPTV box. In-order ko to, tumawag ako sa number. Ayan, kung meron dito ang number nila. But anyway, if you got pumunta ka sa website, ito, not sure if you can see that. Ito yung number tinawagan ko, 877-884-6832, and I ordered the IPTV set-top box. You can also, you should be able to watch this online as well. So I got the premium package, and this the box right here. It's got the TFC Lifestyle, C1, Cinema 1 Global, the ABS-CBN, Sports and Action, the ANC, their news channel, then they also has the Mix TV, DZMM, and an FM station, and a bonus is a karaoke on demand. So this is pretty good. Sorry. So this is the box right there. So let's open this. So yeah, it's right there on the side. It says connectivity. It's there's a one USB 2.0 on the side and the back, and there's an Ethernet, the Ethernet port, which is 100 megabits per second. A CPU, an HDMI output, blah blah blah. So all right, so ito yun. Let's see, sanang, alright, there you go. So it comes with documentations, TFC digital internet set-top box receiver, okay, alright. Yeah, more document. This is a quick setup guide. Pretty good. So yeah. So it comes with a step-by-step instructions. So it should be in pretty good shape if you just follow the instructions. It also comes with a USB Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, interesting. Yeah, so this is my first time to go and also so ito mga lang some documentations, terms and agreements, I guess. So ito yung box. Okay, ito yung box mismo. So let's see, let's just take it out of the plastic. Parang parang Apple TV create. Okay, so that tamang-tama lang, hindi magaan, hindi mabigat. Ito yung front. That's the front part. And then the side here, it comes with a mic 1 and 2 input, the USB, and the reset button. I guess that's the fan. And then the back, you have the network port, another USB, There's the HDMI, the optical output, and there's an AV, and the power input, which is a 10-watt power adapter. It's right here. So ito yung tanggalin ko na tong ano para dito na tayo i-plug in natin to, and then so yan, so it goes in there. Okay, ano pa nandito, itong remote control natin to. I don't know kung may battery na to or what. So let's walang battery. So it's a AAA battery. Okay, what else do we have inside here? Alright, so okay, so merong battery. It comes with a battery. Comes with an HDMI cable. That's good. And also comes with a Cat 5 or Cat 6E, or let's see what this is a Cat 5E. So it's a Cat 5E cable and a regular RCA cable for those old TVs, video, audio, and I think this is for the sound 3.5. Anyway, let's put this together and we'll turn on the, so let's read the directions here. It says step 1, plug the composite breakout cable to the video audio output port behind your setup boxes. So dito merong tatawag nila na AB port right there. Yan daw i-plug ko. Ito yun. So dito, ito yun, AB. Okay, i-plug mo to sa likod ng TV, you know. Ito yung sa mga lumang TV na merong they still use this kind of connection for the audio. It's the AV. This one's for the this is for the video and this is for the audio. So doon yan sa likod ng TV, right there, back of the TV. There it is. It's red, white, and yellow. So plug mo yan dyan, tatlo. Okay, but for those who have the HDMI, more yung mga mas bago-bago na TV ngayon should have an HDMI. So it's either ito yung connection mo, itong una kong pinakita sa'yo, or itong HDMI. So let's go get the HDMI cable, or ito. So para sa akin, ito ang pinakamaganda dahil mas convenient aside from the fact na isang wire lang connect mo, mas ano to, mas ano yung reception mo, mas maganda kasi ano to ng video at audio at the same time. So let's use this. Okay, let's connect the first end here. Okay, and other end to the back of your TV. If you have that connection that says ARC right there, then use that. So put that in there. Okay, it's in. So we got the HDMI connected in the box, and the other end is to the TV. Okay. Next is says here. Step 3 is to connect one end of the network cable into the DSL cable modem Ethernet LAN port, then turn on your DSL cable modern box. So let's do that. Let's use that Ethernet cable that came with it right here. So I'm going to connect the end right here. Okay, and the other end to my router or my switch. So okay, right there. So I'm gonna plug this into one of my switch port. Right there. All right. So we got the HDMI. We got the Ethernet. This one I'm not using, so I'm gonna unplug this. I know actually this is the power right there. So the next thing we do is to, according to the instructions here, is to connect the power cable, which I already did, and plug it into the setup box, and then let's power it on. Okay, so this is the other end of the power adapter. So I'm gonna plug this right now. Plug in. So it says to power it. So actually it's already powering on. See right there, it's it is green. So we're gonna turn on the TV input. So your TV should come with your remote, and then change it to the right input, which is HDMI. It's HDMI 1. I put it on the HDMI 1, so there you go. So this is the first thing that would pops up. So I'm gonna put the battery on the remote here. So this is the remote. Okay, so it says get ready for TFC to activate your account. Please call our technical service hotline at blah blah blah. So I gotta call this number. Which one? The main menu?
TFC po, yun nasa pinakababa ng remote control, second from the right.
Oh, TFC. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Ayun, okay. So, tinawagan ko yung number na nasa screen to activate. So, natawagan ko at mayroon makausap mo yung agent, sabihin mo gusto mo ma-activate ang number, merong mga options. One of the options is to activate. So, i-ready mo na lang yung yung 9-digit customer number. Yung 9-digit customer number na na-email sa'yo, or it starts with 00, and just gave her or them the customer number, or your telephone number. Once activated, then you're all set. Ito na makita mo na screen. Then you can scroll up or down. Okay. Thank you for what. Actually, my next video is about setting this up sa Wi-Fi. So, itong setup ko ngayon is the network or the Ethernet cable that connects to your router or to your switch. So, my next video is how to set up the Wi-Fi kung wala kang network port available na malapit sa TV mo. So, Wi-Fi is the best. Alright, on to the next video. Thanks. Bye.